So anybody that's done grilling before knows that the worst part is the cleanup afterwards, because you have to actually go and scrub down the grill so it's nice and clean for the next time you use it. This brush makes that so much easier and faster. You're not having to put your hand over the heat so much. You're not getting burned or singed while you're doing it. And it's gonna have a rotation, so it's gonna make it really quick and easy to do. So you can see here that it has two separate style of brushes. It's got a wire brush here and then more of a steel wool style right here. This is for doing standard grills, charcoal grills, propane, and this is going to be more for like the flat top style griddle grills. And they're super easy to swap it out. You're just going to pull it off, and then you can push this one on in its place, just like that. This also makes it easy to clean this when it gets dirty. You can take it off, run it under water. You can even put this inside of your dishwasher if it is super bad and you want to do it really quick and easy clean. So as you're cleaning your grill, if you've got corners or spots that are harder to get to, you can see this easily adjusts all the way from one side to the other, 180 degrees. So if you've got certain spots on your grill that are harder to get to, this is going to make that even easier to clean. Charging is super easy. It's just a USB-C plug right here on the side. It's got a super long battery life, so once you charge it up, it's going to last for a long time. It also shows the status of the battery right here when you start it on, so you know exactly how much power you have left while you're using it. It also has a high, medium, and low speed, so you can have it set to your needs and your grill. So it also has a splash guard right here to help keep the debris from flying back at you. And this is not just going to push stuff around, it's actually going to scrub it and clean it off of the grill while you're using it. So I just did a real quick clean of just this bottom half right here. So it looks really nice compared to the rest of it. And it was really fast to use this brush, and it cleaned it really nice. So you can even make it go straight like this. It's going to be perfect for cleaning up on your warming shelf like this. And you can just run down it. And it's going to make it super fast and clean it a lot easier than any other way to do it. So it has a lot of torque as well, so even if you're pushing hard, it's still spinning, and I am pushing really hard on that brush and it's still spinning with no problem whatsoever. So whether you grill at home, go camping, like to cook outdoors a lot, this brush is going to make the post-barbecue cleanup so much easier and more satisfying. It's going to be the perfect tool to have in your barbecue arsenal so you can enjoy the barbecue and spend less time with the prep and cleanup afterwards.